Question number 1. RNSP is composed of one RNA molecules and one protein molecules. Exonuclease, endonuclease, primase, telomerase. Answer is option B, endonuclease. Question number 2. The Watson and Crick structure of RNA refers to the B form, a right-handed helix with 10 base pair per turn. The base in the center held together by hydrophobic interaction and phosphate bonding. A and B. Answer is option D. A and B are the correct. It's a B form and right-handed helix with 10 base pair per turn. Question number 3. Both miRNA and one strand of siRNA are bound by protein to form ribonucleoprotein complex called RISC, RNA-induced splicing complex, dsRNA, small nuclear RNP, carboxyl terminal domain, CTD. Answer is option A, RISC, RNA-induced splicing complex. Question number 4. Dash is the process whereby sense, antisense or double-strand RNA can cause inhibition of expression of one homologous gene. RNA interference, RNA splicing, homopolymer tailing, methylation. Answer is option A, RNA interference. Question number 5. In eukaryotes, mRNA is synthesized by RNA polymerase II as longer precursor pre-mRNA. The population of different pre-mRNAs being called heterogeneous nuclear RNA, microRNA, short interfering RNA, ribosomal RNA. Answer is option A, heterogeneous nuclear RNA, HNRNA. Question number 6. Dash is the addition of 7-methyl guanosine nucleotide to the 5' end of an RNA polymerase II transcript when it is bound to 25 nucleotide long. 3' cleavage, 5' capping, polyadenylation, methylation. Answer is option B, 5' capping. Question number 7. Dash processing is the conversion of pre-mRNA species into more than one type of matured mRNA. This can result from the use of different poly A site or different pattern of splicing. Methylation, phosphorylation, alternative mRNA, RNA editing. Answer is option C, alternative mRNA. Question number 8. From a fixed start point, each group of 3 bases in the coding region of mRNA represent a codon, nucleotide, gene, polynucleotide. Answer is option A, codon. Question 9. When 80 out of 20 amino acids have more than one codon to specify them, and these codon refer as universal codon, symposium codon, overlapping codon, A and B are correct. Answer is option B. Question number 10. The linear sequence primary structure of tRNA is 60 to 95 nucleotide long, 30 to 40 nucleotide long, 10 to 30 nucleotide long, 120 to 150 nucleotide long. Answer is option A, 60 to 95 nucleotide long. Question number 11. There are many modified nucleosides present in tRNA structure such as pseudouridine, inosine, adenosine. A and B are correct. Answer is option D. A and B are correct. Pseudouridine, inosine. Question number 12. The dash is common secondary structural represent of tRNA molecules. We saw the base pairing of various regions to form for first term, arm and 3 loops. L-shape, ternary structure, cloverleaf structure, the D loop. Answer is option C, cloverleaf structure. Question number 13. tRNA molecules become charged or amino acylated in a two-step reaction. In the first step, the dash enzyme attach AMP to the CHO group of amino acid. Terminal transferase amino acyl tRNA synthase alkaline phosphate transformylase. Answer is option B, amino cell tRNA synthesis. Question number 14. The test recognizing the AUG start codon is used to initiate protein synthesis in both prokaryote and eukaryote. Polysome, ribosome binding site, mRNA initiate tRNA. Answer is option D, initiate tRNA. Question number 50. The initiation factor IF1 and IF3 bind to dash. This helps to prevent the large subunit binding to small subunit without an mRNA molecule and forming an inactive ribosome. tRNA, mRNA, a free 30S subunit, 50S subunit. Answer is option C, a free 30S subunit. Question number 60. The initiation step of translation. The 30S subunit attached to the mRNA molecule making use of ribosome binding site on RNA. Ribosome, mRNA, tRNA, 50S subunit. Answer is option B, mRNA. 70. IF2 complex with GTP then binds to small subunit of ribosome. It will assist to prevent large subunit binding to it without an mRNA molecule, the forming an inactive ribosome. The charge initiated tRNA to bind A and B are correct. Answer is option C. The charge initiated tRNA to bind. Question number 80. The 50S subunit can bind to 30S. The complex formed at the end of initiation phase is termed as called the 70S initiation complex, the 30S initiation complex, the 80S initiation complex, the 60S initiation complex. Answer is option A, the 70S initiation complex. Question number 19. Release factor 1 RF1 recognize the codon UAA and UAG, and the release factor 2 recognize the codon UAG, UAA, UGA. B and C are correct. Answer is option D, B and C are correct. Question number 20. There are mechanisms that deal with the problem of mutant or truncated mRNA being translated into defective protein. In the case of truncated mRNA, in prokaryote, a special RNA called DAS is translated into defective patterns. Short interfering RNA, transfer messenger RNA, heterogeneous nuclear RNA, microRNA. Answer is option A, short interfering RNA, siRNA.